Hello everyone. I know you all must be waiting for today's answer key of Olympiad. So I'm here with you. So first of all, we will discuss answer key of 6th class mathematics. So let's start now. Now, we start from mathematics 21st question. You can see the first question is the sum of two odd number is always. The sum of two odd number always will be even. So answer of this question is first part, first A, even. Next one, 22nd question. The smallest odd prime. As you know, the smallest prime number is 2. But here we are asking the smallest odd prime number. So answer of this question will be 3. Last option. Now we move to next question. 23rd question. In this question, how many whole numbers are not natural numbers? As you know, natural numbers start from 1 and whole numbers start from 0. So only 0 is the whole number which is not a natural number. So there is only one number. So answer of this will be A, that is 1. Now next question 24. Here we have to tell HCF. HCF of two consecutive numbers is always. Okay. As you know, there are two consecutive numbers. So common is only 1. So HCF of two consecutive number is 1. Next one. Next question. Here we have to tell the only even prime number. As you know, only even prime number is 2. So answer of this question is B part. Now next 26th question. In this question we have to tell the incorrect statement. So first one is line AB is same as BA. It's a true statement. It's a correct statement. Next one, line segment AB is same as line segment AB. It's also correct statement. Third one, here is ray AB. Ray AB means it is directing towards from A to B. It says that ray AB is same as ray BA, but BA means from B to A. This is AB ray and this is BA ray. You can see that these two are different. But in this statement, it says that these two are same. So it means this statement is incorrect. Answer of this question is C part. Next question, 27. What percentage is 50 centimeter of 2 meter? We have to find percentage of 50 centimeter. And you know, for percentage, we multiply with 100 and over here is 2 meter. But you can see here, unit here is a centimeter, here it's a meter. We have to make it same. So 50 centimeter, this is 50 centimeter. If we convert meter, we will multiply with 100. So this is 200 centimeter. Now solve it better. Solve it. Okay, now solve and calculate the answer. So answer of this one is 25. So answer here is third option, 25%. Fine. Next question in 28th, its statement says that in a quadrilateral, if all these sides are equal, and diagonals are not equal, what this quadrilateral is, as you know, in rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. So this is rhombus now. Answer of 28th question is rhombus, C part, because all sides equal and diagonals not equal. It is rhombus. Now we move to next question, 29th question. Here, the integer 3 less than minus 15. Here we have to tell 3 integer less than minus 15. So answer minus 15, 3 less. It means we have to subtract 3. So answer of this one is minus 18. So answer of this 29th question is its B part, that is minus 18. 30th question. Here the absolute value of minus 5. Absolute value of minus 5 is 5. It says that absolute value of minus 5 is less than absolute value of minus 4. You know, absolute value of minus 5 is 5 and absolute value of minus 4 is 4. 4. Now it says that this is less. This is less. Absolute value of minus 5, it means 5. But it's the greater term. 5 is greater than 4. But it says that it is less. So this statement is false. So answer of 30th question is B, that is false. Next one, next question, 31st. A proper fraction. A proper fraction. Proper fraction means whenever numerator is less than denominator. If numerator is less than denominator, then answer will always be less than 1. So answer of this question is first one, that is less than 1. If there is a proper fraction, it means answer will always be less than 1. Next, 32 question. 47 rupees, 47 rupees 7 paise. We have to express this term in decimal. 47 rupees plus 7 paise. 7 paise. Here unit is rupees, here unit is paise. We have to make this unit same. So 47 rupees. Convert this also in rupees. It means divided by the 100. So 47 rupees. 47 rupees plus 0.07 rupees. So answer is 40. So answer is 47.07. So answer of this question is second part, second B, that is 47.07. Next question, 33. A collection of numbers gathered to get some information. It means this is telling about the data. As you know, data means collection of information for some particular purpose. So answer of this question is data. Next one, 34th question. We have to determine the cost. Cost of fencing of a square shaped park. We have this one is square shaped park of side 25 meter. 25 meter. Side of this square is 25 meter. So firstly find out its perimeter. Formula of perimeter of square is 4 into side. 4 into side, that is 4 multiply 25. So perimeter is equal to 100 meter. Perimeter of this park is 100 meter. Now we have to determine the cost. Cost of fencing. Cost of fencing will be equals to perimeter multiply its rate, that is 2.20 per meter. So cost of fencing will be 220. 220. So answer of this is its D part 220. Fine. Now let's move to next question. Question number is 35th. In this question, perimeter of rectangle is 40. We have a figure, rectangle. Perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. Also the length is given. Length, suppose this one is 12 centimeter and breadth is not given. And you know the formula of perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and this is equal to 40. Here length is given. Length is given 12 and breadth. Solve it and you will get the answer of breadth. This is 12 plus b. If you divide 40 by 2, here it's a 20. 12 plus b. If you transpose this 12 on right hand side, this will be minus. This is 20 minus 12. Answer is 8. It means breadth of this rectangle is 8 centimeter. Answer is its second, B. Now we move to next question, 36. This says that 3 added to the sum of x and y. We have to just convert these words in mathematical equation. It says that 3 added. 3, we are adding 3. We are adding 3 to the sum of x and y. So it means this statement can be expressed in this way mathematically. So suitable answer is its C option, that is 3 plus bracket in bracket x plus y. Next question, we move to now question number 37. Now here figure is given regular hexagon. It says that if x is the side of regular hexagon, then its perimeter. You know perimeter means sum of all sides, and this is hexagon, and this hexagon means it has 6 sides. So perimeter is equal to 6 into sides, and here given side is x. So answer of this one is 6x. So suitable answer is first one, 6x meter. Next question, question number 38. Here we have to find the ratio of 1 by 7, 1 by 14, 1 by 21. As you know, here denominator is not same. So to make our question easier, first of all, make these denominators same. How? This is 1 by 7. This is 1 by 14. This is 1 by 21. So this can be written as 1 by 7 multiply and divide by 6. So this is 6 upon 42. In the same manner, you can convert this 1 by 14 as 40 multiply 3 divide 3. So this is 3 upon 42. This can also be converted 1 upon 21. Multiply and divide by same, that is 2. So result is 2 upon 42. Now here you can see the base of 3 terms are same. Now you can compare it. This is 6 upon 42 in ratio 3 upon 42 in ratio 2 upon 42. So ratio will be 6 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. So answer of this question is B option last, that is 6 is to 3 is to 2. Fine. Now we move to next question, question number 39. In this question, rupees 800. We have to divide 800 in the ratio of 3 is to 5. We have to break 800. If we want to break 800 in the ratio of 3 is to 5, it means 800 will be equal to 300 and 500. We can split 800 in the form of 300 and 500. So this should be answer. Now search it. Here first option 300, 600, no. 400, 400, no. Third option 600 and 300, it's not. So suitable one is the last option, none, because our answer is 300, 500, which is not in these three options. So answer of 39th question is last option, that is none. Now we move to last question, question 40. Which angle cannot be measured by ruler and compass? As you know, we can draw few angles like 30, 15, 45, 60, 90 by with the help of compass. Okay. So 30 angle we can measure with the compass, 45 also, 22.5 also, but 100, here 100, we cannot do. So in this we have to tell which angle cannot be. So answer of this one is 100 degree, last option. This is the answer key for today's Olympiad exam. I hope you all had done well. So from my end, thank you all.